Vivo launched its new smartphone in China under Y series called Vivo Y300c, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300c features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y300c sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. At the front it has 8-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.05 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Origin OS 5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.57 by 76.18 by 7.85 millimeters, and it weighs around 199.9 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300c has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage option is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in diamond black, green pine, and snow white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y300c smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.